Hello guys and welcome to today's video on inverse functions part 2, okay? Right guys, this video was filmed on Monday the 29th of June 2020. Right guys, if you're new, welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a private maths tutor and a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. I make videos on Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, GCSE and A-level maths. Okay, thank you for click on this video and please do drop the video a like and subscribe if you're new and enable notifications, and feel free to share this video around actually if you know of anyone that might find this useful. But let's get on with today's video, guys. Right guys, okay, so we're gonna obviously for today's lesson actually, so we're gonna understand inverse functions and we're gonna do plenty of practice here for today's lesson. Okay, so obviously in the last lesson, guys, obviously we start looking at inverse functions, but I thought I would do like another video today just to do like more practice here on inverse functions. Okay guys, right, example 1 actually. So it says work out the inverse here of the function f of x equals 2x minus 3. So this is the argument notation here for f of x here of 2x minus 3. Okay, so first of all guys, we let y equal f of x. Okay, so y is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, I would then swap x and y around, okay, and then rearrange to make y the subject here of my equation. So I swap these around actually, so I get x is equal to 2y minus 3. I would then rearrange actually, so I would rearrange it to make y rearrange it to make y the subject here. I'm not sure why I've put y there, but okay, so I've rearranged this here, so I get, obviously y plus 3 divided by 2 equals x, okay, so the inverse function here, obviously, is in x, so it's going to be x plus 3 divided by 2, okay. So sorry guys, if it wasn't clear actually, I think I made a mistake here. Actually, I think I forgot to actually swap x and y around actually. But the idea is that you rearrange actually to make this the subject here, whether you choose that to be x or y. Obviously if it's y actually, just be careful actually. Obviously the inverse function here obviously is a function of x, so your answer has to be obviously in x here rather than y. So just be careful there, guys. But it is actually correct actually what I've done actually but just obviously if it's not clear make sure that you swap these letters around, okay, and make y the subject of this equation rather than x, if that makes sense, okay. Right guys, okay, next example actually, right, okay, so we're gonna do this one actually together actually. Right, g of x equals 4x squared minus 3x minus 8. Okay, so find the inverse function of g of x. Okay, so I'm gonna have y is equal to 4x squared minus 5, okay? So again, guys, okay, so I swap x and y around. Okay, so I'm going to get x is equal to 4y squared minus 5. Okay, so far that makes sense. So all I've done actually is just swap x and y around. I'm now going to rearrange to make y the subject, and that will give me the inverse function for g of x. First of all, add 5 to both sides, okay? So I'm going to get x plus 5, okay, is equal to 4y squared. I would then, oops, sorry, apologies about my handwriting. Okay, I would then divide both sides by 4. Divided by 4. I get is equal to y squared. And then final step, guys, okay, because I'm trying to put a bit especially for part B. So final step will be the square root of x plus 5 divided by 4 is equal to y, okay? So that will be my inverse function of g. Okay, so g inverse, it will give me that as my answer. Okay, so that's equal to g inverse of x. Okay, so g with a minus 1 and with an x there. Okay, so that's my solution. Okay, right, next part, find the inverse, guys, of h of x. Actually, right, okay, so y is equal to 3x minus 8. Okay. So you swap x and y around. Okay, so x is equal to 3y plus 8. Okay, and then I rearrange it to make y the subject. So I'm going to have x minus 8 all divided by 3 gives me brackets. Sorry, there should be brackets there. Divided by 3 gives me y, which is equal to h inverse of x. So again, guys, so just to be clear, actually, sorry, because I'm trying to be clear here. So obviously that's part A, and then obviously the remaining is obviously going to be part B. Okay. So sorry if it wasn't, yeah, obviously it's a bit quality about that. Actually, apologies about that. But yeah, so obviously minus 8 on both sides, and then divide it by 3. So I get x minus 8 divided by 3 gives me inverse h of x. Okay, so inverse h of x is equal to x minus 8 all divided by 3. Okay, so I hope it made sense, guys, actually, yeah, and I hope it was clear, actually. Right, guys, now, yeah, can you pause the video, actually, yeah, and try these questions? So can you pause the video now, guys, and give these questions a go? Right, guys, here are my solutions, actually, yeah, to obviously these questions. So yeah, obviously, please obviously check your work, actually, yeah, and then if you've got any questions, put it in the comments section. Right, guys, end the lesson, actually. Right, guys, thank you for watching my video, actually. Yeah, I hope you find it useful, actually. Yeah, please do, yeah, subscribe if you're new. Drop the video a like and enable notifications by pressing the bell icon. Yeah, and feel free, yeah, guys, actually, yeah, to just like comment below, actually, if you've got any questions or queries about this lesson today. Yeah, and please feel free, yeah, to just like share my videos around, actually. Okay, stay safe, actually, yeah, and look after yourselves, everyone. Okay, happy Monday. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to say is, these are some other like useful like YouTube channels actually to like check out. So you got Corbett Maths, Maths Chelsea, Jack Brown, TL Maths, Maths Genie, Exam Solutions, and On Maths. So they're very, very useful. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Yeah, I hope you're all okay actually. Yeah, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. Okay, bye now.